here we are finding the null values. So by running this query, before that, before this, I we are successfully. I'm just like okay. I'm preparing for the SQL mock test. For that, here are some questions and some practice data sets. So from these data sets, I successfully in previous, as we see, um, I get all the data from the Google Sheet and exported in the PGSQL admin, and now I'm checking which values and which columns are null from from particular column and rows. And here we are starting from the customer here, and we are starting from the customer table, and you called it as data cleaning process. Okay, so now I'm doing is checking for null values. I'm saying customer ID is null. If customer ID is null, then uh, send an I mean, then select one, then um, one send one to the sum function. And that if that overall in the overtime, when the function runs, it will collect the number of null, count the number of null customer IDs, and same as with the sign up date, region, and age group. And here as you can see here, the customer ID had zero null values, same for the sign up, and same for the age group. So we have region column has 20 null values. So now let's deal with the that null values. How we deal with null values? So we will deal with null values by replacing them with unknown. Okay, so let's go. Okay, these are the rows where region values are null. Okay, I'd say update customer update customers customer set region equal to unknown un, unknown 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 where region is null. Let's see. Okay, let's check. Select. We're running this tape. Let's check for the null values now. Yeah, there is no null values because we are replacing them with unknown. And let's check now for yeah, all are zero. Okay, so next table is engagement. Okay, there are 5 columns. So let's see. Select sum of is when engagement ID is null, then one else zero, and as engagement null values, and sum of is when customer ID is null, then one else as C null, and sum of case when campaign ID is null, then 1 and 0, and adds campaign C null, camp null. Okay, then sum of case when engagement ID, engagement type is null, then 1 plus 0, and adds engagement type null, and that's last. Now sum of case when engagement date is null, then 1 and 0, and adds engagement date null from table name engagements. See. Okay, engagement et engagement type having 38, engagement type having 38 null. So let's see. Select star from engagements where engagement is null. Okay, let's see. There are no values, engagement type we don't know, so we will put it unknown here. So update engagement, update engagement, engagements set engagement type equal to unknown, where engagement type is engagement type is null. Okay, let's just check for the yep, check for the number of null values here. Okay, definitely tables are empty. Okay, nice. Now check for the campaigns. Now campaigns and set select. Before selecting this, let's see what table columns are. So campaign ID, campaign type, start date and end date. Let's see. Now we are checking for the null values for campaigns. Select some case of when campaign ID is null, then 1 as 0, and null, sum of is with campaign type. Okay, there is no null values for the campaign table. So now we successfully remove the null values, and instead of null values we will place the unknown values, unknown as a replacement of null values. So now let's start to solving the questions and deciphering the questions, okay, and the riddles. Okay, let's start from here. So these are the three tables. Okay, let's see. Find the find the campaign that highest click engagement. Okay, highest click engagement campaign. So engagement, find the campaign and the, okay, campaign ID and engagements. Okay, select start from engagements. So campaign, so highest click, let me 1 minute, campaign engagement type and campaign type, I think so. Yeah, they want, okay, let this, use this here. What is the okay, find the campaign with the highest click engagements. Find the campaign with highest click engagement. Okay, campaign with the highest click. Okay, we will need to combine these tables. Okay, let's see how we can write the query to find the five. Okay, write the query to find top 5 campaigns with the most click engagements. Campaign find out, we need to find the campaigns on the basis of engagement. So let where we find engagement type. Okay, this is a campaign type. Okay, this is a campaign type. So but we want on the basis of clicks, but clicks is engagement type. Okay, click is engagement type. So we will find those here. So how we combine these both tables? So these both tables having one in common, campaign id. Okay, campaign, on the basis of campaign id we will connect these both tables. And okay, yes, campaign id, let's see. So select. So we'll need two campaigns, top 5 campaigns. So let's see, I will go like p dot, we make it star comma, maybe c dot engagement. Let's see, I will use engagement type in type, and uh, from p dot for campaigns, campaigns campaigns as p, and I will use inner join and engagement in mains as c on c dot campaign id equal to p dot campaign id. So let's see. Hmm, engagements. Okay, find the top 5 campaigns, top 5 campaigns with the most click engagements. Okay, now so I will make this as city. So I will name it like with, I will name it process as okay, and then so we need the campaign who has most highest click engagements. So we will aggregate on the basis of click. We will do one more thing. We will use like and here, or we will use like here, where, because why we need here we are filtering, here we are filtering on the basis of only clicks. Okay, they asking campaigns with the highest clicks, so we will need only engagement type as a click. So we'll write c dot, we'll write for that engagement type equal to click. That's it. And I will use like select star from process. That's it. Okay, oh, okay, let me do this. Okay, we are filtered, only we want engagement types, engagement type as a click, so we filter on the basis of click, engagement type as a click. And now we will aggregate, we will aggregate on the basis of campaign id and count, and the count number of clicks, which campaign has highest clicks. So we do like we said like campaign id is count star as number of clicks, from process, and we will aggregate on the basis of campaign id. So group by campaign id And order by mm, no, we will not do order by. Yes, we will do order by. So I will say order by this one because we want highest. Because here question is write the query to find the top 5 campaigns. We need to top 5 campaigns means those campaigns has the highest number of clicks, those are coming in the top. Okay, so we need to filter top 5. So I will say it like count here. Let's see what result will look like. Okay, I will do DESC here. Now let's see. Yes, campaign underscore 017 has 24 clicks, and 21 for 016, and 21 for 018, and 20 for 019 campaign. So now we just want top 5 campaigns. So I will use like limit 5, and we will get our top 5 campaigns. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5, we will get our top 5 campaigns with their number of clicks, engagement type 24 clicks for campaign this. Okay, now we comparing our answer with answer key. Let's see. um their answer key is here, so I will just do this and this. Yeah, same as there. My answer key is like more clearer than them because yeah I'm using CT. But this is also both are the valid uh, answer queries. So that's it, your answer is correct. Now we will go for next question. Okay, we'll go for next. This is the next question. Okay, what is it? So what is the question? Calculate total number of customers per age group. Okay, write a query to calculate the number of customers in each age group. Number of customers in age group. Let's see. Is there a select? First, we will see what are the columns inside customer tables, and first we get to know the first. We need to know which table contains age group column. So customer contain age group column. Then we will proceed further. Okay, select start from customers. Okay, let's see. What is the issue? Yes. Okay. This is a really pretty easy question. So they need to group by. So select age group age group count, say star as number of number of people. So from customers and group by age group. That's it. This is our answer. This is here is comma should be coming. Yeah. Okay, so now comparing with this, let's see. Answer is correct. Yeah, same answer. So we why we are checking for the answer keys, because of sometimes we miss some important information sometime while reading a question. So I want to, I should not miss that small details while reading the questions. So that's why I'm rechecking the my answer with answer key um, query. That's the reason. Okay, now we will move to the, now we will moving to the third question, and interesting one. Let's see. Find the campaign that ended. So find the campaign, so I will use select start from campaign, campaign. Let me, campaign spelling is correct or not? Campaigns, campaigns, camp campaigns. Let's see. Yes, campaigns there. Find the campaign that ended before the specific date. Write a query to find all the campaigns that ended before the 23/6. Okay, they want all the campaigns or all the rows from the campaigns table that ended before 13th June, 13th 13th June 2023. So let's see. So select, I will use select and I will say start uh, from from campaigns where end, okay, end before. So end before, ended before. Hmm. So I will use end date. End date is so end date should be before ended. So I will use day here. Go here before, so 2023 06 13th date, this month's, this is the date. Okay, okay, and is this is greater, and this value should be positive, greater than 0. Okay, let's see. Let me check on the internet. Mm, okay, yes, yes, yes. That's one way of doing thing. Okay, and that's the another thing. Okay, that's the another thing, but let's see. Mm, or we will use like date is also correct, no worries. Mm, yes. There are two campaigns who ended before this date. Camp 004 and Camp 010 are ended before the given date. So we are checking with the our answer key. Let's see what answer key is telling us. Yes, same answer. So our answer is correct. Now, fourth question. Mhm. Okay, merge data to find engagement counts by campaign type. Okay, so engagement and campaign type. Let's see. Select start from engagements and select start from engagements and campaigns. Campaigns. So this is the first table and engagement campaign type. Okay, find the engagement count. Hmm. Okay, write a query to calculate the total number of engagements. Okay, for each campaign type by joining the campaign and engagement table. That's okay. But let's first join both tables. Okay, and both tables, how we join both tables on by using obviously inner join, but um on which basis we are using campaign id for the combining both two tables. So campaign id are the common column between those two. So campaign id is the common column between them. So we will use campaign id to connecting engagement table with campaign tables. So let's see. Here we want to find the engagement. So I will use this like p dot p as alias for the engagement, and c dot um, campaign cam campaign type and there we go as p and inner join. Let's see c dot campaign 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 id is equal to p dot cam ai campaign. Okay, we connected both tables with each other, and now write a query to calculate the total number of engagement for each campaign type. Okay, total number of engagement. Okay, engagement for each campaign type. Okay. So we aggregating on the basis of campaign type and how much each. I mean, we need to calculate campaign type. Suppose TV ad, social media, and email, flyer, and all type of engagement type, and we make a count. So in the in whole table, tv ad, how much engagement gets by tv ad, how much attention or engagement get by the social media, and and email, and also same with the flyer. So let's I will make it as a CT for this. So we just need two things here. I will use like engagement. Okay, now we will do one thing. We will make this as CT. We'll use with process same name as. So uh, select campaign campaign type and count star as total number of total number engagement from process group by camp campaign type. Okay. Hmm. Campaign type process. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And for the order by, there is no order by, but I will using it. I want to know which engage campaign type has more engagement. So I will use like one. Okay, email has more engagement type, followed by flyer and also social media. No, no, no. There is ascending order. So I will use descending order. Okay, TV ad has more engagement than social media. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, okay, okay. Here is some small mistake. Let be correct. Let me correct it now. Mhm. Yeah. TV ad has more engagement, followed by flyer, and then email, and then social media. So this is our question. Now let's check with answer key. Okay. There is one more also one thing. There is no need to make it this as a CT. We will also directly solve this question here itself. But I will making as a CT because of more my breaking the problem into small steps and then combine in the final output. That's where to think on logically is far better, and also it helps in debugging really well. So that's the reason I will splitting the problem into small pieces and then combining it for solving our final output. So next, okay, let's check for the output. This is the answer key. Yeah, same. Our answer is also same thing, identical. I just we are just the breaking the question breaking the question and breaking the question into small queries, like making the CT and then using that CT into next question or query that help us to solve program problem step by step. And also it's help us to spot the bug really quickly. So that's work for me, so I will using this approach. Yeah, this seems like lengthy, but sometimes you need to debug or need to find the where the program or where the query is going wrong. So if you go this way, this will save a lot of time and lot of efforts, and this will really help to understand query really well. So that's the reason I'm breaking the query into small pieces and then combining it for the final output. So if you like this approach, you can also use this approach. So now we will move forward to the next question. Identify the regions with no engagements. Okay, write a query. Okay, we need regions. So regions. So select start from in engagements. So engagement table has no name region, but maybe customer table. Select star from customers. Yes, customer table has region and engagement table. Let's see. Okay. So now engagement. Let's think about how we connect both two tables, engagement and customer. Yeah, engagement table also has customer id, and customer has also has customer id definitely. So we will connect those both tables on the basis of customer id. But what the problem statement? Write a query to find the region from the customers from the customers table where no engagement has been recorded. So a no engagement has been recorded. Let's see. Okay, right, to find the regions where no uh customer tape. Okay, so let's combine engagement table with customer table, and after combining, so they are saying with no engagements. So we need to use left join, I think so, because if the customers are not coming inside, the customer is not present in engagement table. That means maybe the customer present in our customer table but not engaged in any campaign. Okay, so that is a probability. So we use left join. We use left join and combining the tables, and then we will find those customers who has the customers and the regions. Okay, then we will find the region for the customers who where the engagements have no engagements recorded. That is also a possibility. And let's see, we will go by this approach, finding the customers. Okay, so select e dot star c dot. How will you c dot engagement? Okay, c dot engagement id, engagement id only from customers as the left join as the one c dot customer id id is equal to c dot customer. This is the first approach. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Yes. I will make it HCT. Okay, no engagement happens. Obviously, if engagement happens, the customer ID is there in the engagement table, and but if engagement not happen, that means the customer is not not participated in the campaign. Okay, that means customer is present in customer table but not in engagement table. That means the customer is not having no engagement in campaign. So we are that's why we are using left join. We want all customers who even who is not engaged present in the engagement ID. That's why we used in not use inner join, we use left join for that purpose. Now um, now here we can find how many customers are now we are aggregating on the basis of region, how many customers are from a particular number of how many customers from north region, south region, and west region or east region are not there. Okay, now we are aggregating on the base not present in the not participated in the campaign. So then we will know how many customers are there we which not participate with process. I will as here. So let's see. Here go, I will select and region region count star not engaged in engaged not engaged customers from process pro web. Okay, and group by region. Order by um, count star descending. That's it. So east having 23 customers. East region has 23 customers who has not engaged in campaign. North having 17, south having 17, west having 9, and the three customers which are belongs to unknown region. So that's our answer. Now moving to the next. Oh, so we are comparing now with this. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, they are okay. Okay, we have five. Not. Yes, we have five. Yeah, they are just showcasing the regions, but we showcase with all. Definitely, they using the. Mm, they are using same. So our answer is correct. Let's move on to the next. Number 6. Impute missing campaign end dates. Write a query to update all missing date end date values in campaign table to 30 days after the start date. Okay. Write impute missing component. Okay. Write a query to update all missing end values in. Okay. Hmm. In campaign table to 30 days. Let's see one more thing. What date? End, there is no end date I'm missing, right? So let's see. Campaign is campaign. There is no end date missing. Okay, let me do one thing. Select start from campaigns. Campaigns. Okay. So they are saying missing dates. To replace all missing dates with the 30 days after the start date. Okay. So end date. There is no values and date as. Huh? Wait. Write a query to update all missing end values. Missing end values. There is no missing. Wait, something. Yes. Actually, here the solution is get repeated. Solution get repeated from here and here. Number 5 and number 6 solution repeated. But let me do. Let's consider we are solving this question. So how we solve this question? So let me do one thing. So let's see. There is no null values in the end date column, but we are solving this question considering if the end date are null. So if we have, so how we solve this question? So I will use like update. They are saying update or missing values. Okay, I will use update update campaigns campaign set end date equal to date add date at start date comma interval of 30 inter, interval 30 days and where end where end date is null. That's it. Let me check. अरे okay, interval plus interval 30 days. Okay, start. Interval 30, okay, 30 days only interval here. So okay. Hmm. Okay, solve this question. We are moving to the next question now. Seventh one. Okay, write customers total engagements. Okay, top customers by total engagements. Okay, so select star from customers. Select star from engagements. Hmm. Okay, find the customer who has the highest number of engagements. So okay, we are combining these good two tables, and and then we will calculating which customer ID has highest engagement in numbers. So inner join, inner join engagements as C. Customer ID. Okay, so let's see. I will make it as a CT here. Same name with process ads, and will use like select customer ID and count here star number of engagements from process group by customer ID. Okay, group by customer ID, that's correct. Hmm. I will use like top three customers who order by customer, no, count or say number of custom engagements. Okay, number of engagements in descending order, because we want top, the maximum engagement the customer have, so the ranking is high. And limit, we only want three, top three customers with the highest engagement. That's it. This is our answer. Customer I, what is happening? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I missed one thing. I missed. I should do this. Okay, customer ID ambiguous. Let's see. Select process. Mm, customer, correct. Mm, anonymous. Correct. Mm, column reference, customer ID is ambiguous, customer ID number alone. Okay, adds P. Okay. Customer, what is the issue? Correct. Here is also select star from process. What? Mm-hmm. Customer, correct. What is the issue? Instead of do one thing, customer ID also itself here. Don't need this. Customer ID. We directly use count start as total engagement, and here I will group. Hmm. Okay. Top three customers and their engagement, total engagements. So now compare with this. Okay. Okay. Huh. That's also true. Directly using. But let's see. Same. Same answer. Okay. Now question number 8. Calculate the monthly signups. Write a query to count the number of customer signups group by month. Select customers. Okay, sign up state. Okay, write a query to count number of customer signups group by month. Okay, group by month. Let yes. So, uh, like to select extract year from sign up date. Okay, year year. Okay, year as year, comma extract. A date format we will also work with. Let's see. Or date format. Here, memories. Date date format. Percentage y percentage m month. Okay, count star number of sign ups, number of sign ups from customers group by one first, that means months. That's it. Okay. Uh, okay, this is not exist or what? Let me check with the internet. Okay, to care. Date format is not exist in PGSQL to care. Then sign up and just why just M. I think MM or M, capital M. That's it. Single quotes. Hmm. Let's see which month having more signups. Okay, for January 2020, we're having more signups. Okay, and now go for the answer key, which has more signups. Okay, 24, 23. Mm-hmm. Okay, they did not consider year. Okay, they directly calculate it. They did not consider year, so that's why their answer is different than us. But I should go with the number of signups on the basis of including year also. So in that way, we will know the bigger picture. But okay, that's really fine. So we will go for the next question. Yeah, this is second last question. Identify the campaign with no engagements. Okay, write a query to find all the campaigns that have no recorded engagement in the engagement table. Campaigns with no engagement. Okay, select star from campaigns. Cam campaigns. In, okay, find the all campaigns that has no recorded engagements. So first of all, to we need to combine these both tables on the basis of campaign ID. Okay, campaign ID also contain in engagement table, and definitely in campaign, yeah, campaign ID. Okay, so we need to combine these two both tables, and then yeah, definitely here we use left join. Okay, we will using left join on campaign. Find all the campaigns. Okay, let's see. In only this XP, and I will use here left join because all I want, I just particularly want those who has campaigns that has no engagement. How no engagement? Left join on campaign as C on C dot campaign ID is equal to dot campaign ID. That's it. Now I will use where C dot engagement ID is null. This is one, and group. I will use group by. I just want campaign ID here. Campaign ID. So I will use group by p dot in ID, campaign ID, and order by. I will not use this. Let's count. Just need this. This need. What do we use here? Distinct. That's it. This is our answer. No, there is no campaign. Yeah, there is no campaign and campaign type. So our answer is also correct here. Now we are on a last question, number 10. Assume each engagement contribute $10 in revenue. Write a query to calculate the total revenue generated by each campaign. Assume each engagement contribute $10 in revenue. Okay. Campaign and engagement. Select. Select e dot star total revenue generated by campaign, each campaign. Okay. And c dot engagement id from campaign as p inner join or leg join, doesn't matter. Use leg join. Inner join. Okay. With some here, some $10. Campaign ID. Campaign ID. 10. Group by. Order by. Total amount or total revenue. This is our answer. are comparing with this one. Correct. Our answer is correct. So now this is our last day of preparation of SQL test. So we are completing this PDF. So this is day 6th. So thanks for the watching, and this being a pleasure to uploading the videos and doing stuff on public. Thanks for the watching.